If you tell me the answer, then you can just tell me what would be the.
Sir,
Anya?
it's 1.4 by
Hmm?
So you are presenting Pythagoras theorem.
sir, it's 1.4 by 45.
What?
1.4 by 45.
1.4.
Yes, sir.
1.425.
No, sir. 1.4 by 45.
You should terminate. I'm telling full answer till dead end. You tell till what will go. That I'm asking you.
Okay, sir, means you are telling about the 225 dividing with 7.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, this number is non-terminating.
Non-terminating. Yeah. This number is non-terminating. Non-terminating. Why this is not terminating? Tell me. Why this is not terminating? Pulastya.
I just divided it.
Yeah, because this
Sir,
power.
yes, sir, is terminating. Sir.
Because its power is there, no? The 3 to the power 2 will come and 5 to the power 2 will come. So here 3 is coming into picture. That's why this is non-terminating. Understood? Non-terminating.
Sir, how can we tell like that?
Saichar, this is a rule that if denominator is coming, if the factors of the denominator is coming 5 or 2 or both. Okay, Saicharan? Then it's terminating.
Yes,
If any other thing is coming into picture, then it's what? Non-terminating. Yes. This is like, you know, Portia and Bassanio.
No, sir.
Sir, no, sir.
Hania might be knowing, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is which book is that is Hania? ICC board. Which book is that? English? William Shakespeare.
So I really don't remember.
The chapter name is there, no, something like that, right? So
So I didn't get you actually.
Portia and Bassanio, which chapter you have read? I mean, in
Merchant
English.
of Venice. That's not a chapter. That is whole drama ka book.
It's a whole book. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So thus we telling that this 5 and 2 are just Bassanio and Portia. Means this 2 will not live without 5 or 5 will not live without 2. Or they may live alone, but not with some other numbers. That we call it as here. So 5 will be alone or 2 will be alone or 5 and 2 both will be together. If any other person will come into that, they can't be there. So that's why that become non-terminating. If any number is coming apart from 3 or 2 or 5, that is non-terminating. Suppose any number is terminating, then how after how many digits is got terminated? That will get to know, Nihar.
Sir,
If
what?
So what can you repeat?
if I'm giving one question like 17 divided by suppose I'm telling 625. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this one is, first of all, this is terminating, right? Why this is terminating, everyone knows, right? Because if you going to do the factor of the 625, this will come in 5 to the power, what will come?
5 to the
5
power
to,
5.
5 to the power 4, no?
Sir,
Yes, sir, 4, sorry.
5 to the power 4. So this is terminating by this much only. You can say this is terminating by, if we did this much only, if you do this, then we get to know that this is terminating, right? But after how many digits this will get terminated? After how many digits this will get terminated? That is the question.
Sir, is
70.
it
Sir, is
okay?
it 4?
4? Even I thought.
Yeah, 4 only. Because 17, what is the power that much it will get terminated? Suppose if you're going to divide this, so this will terminate. Terminate means terminate after what? After 4 digits, after 4 decimal places.
Sir, like, could you tell the rule once?
First rule is terminating and
No,
non-terminating.
sir, second one, second one.
This 4 decimal places you are saying
Yes, sir.
means if a first number will be there, no, then point will come, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the power you're getting? Suppose here, your 5 to the power 4 is coming. What is the maximum power? Suppose then that only after 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit, after 4 digit, this will get terminated. That
Sir,
I'm saying.
suppose there's 2 square and 5 square, then what will happen?
Two
Then,
only. Two only. What is the maximum power? That only we should see there. That's
okay,
it.
okay, sir. Maximum power minus 1.
No, maximum power only, not
Okay,
maximum power
okay,
minus
only
1.
maximum power. Okay, sir.
So suppose you are getting here, I'm just 625 is there, no? 1350 and 2700 is there. Suppose 2700. 17 divided by 2700 is there. 17 divided by 2700.
Sir, it will
So-
be non-terminating. Sir,
Not
it will be
terminating.
non-terminating.
Really? You can do 625 into 4. What do you get? Nihar? This terminating or non-terminating? Tell me.
Oh, yes, sir. Sir, but 3 is also a factor, no?
3 is a factor, but that will get cancelled. 3 is also a factor. If you multiply this, what you're getting? Check first.
Sir, how is 3? But
No, this
sir,
will
you
not.
can write it as 5 power 4 into 2 square, right?
No, I don't think if you multiply, this will come.
No, sir,
This
and it cannot be, sir, that wait, sir.
yeah.
No, sir, it will be 2500.
2500.
Yes, sir, that thing.
625 into 4, you do what you will getting?
So
5 4
2500.
20, 2,
0, 2.
24 and 2500. Yes, 2500 only is coming. It's coming 2500 only, right? Yeah, this is 2500, suppose. Then after how many decimal places this will get terminate?
So 4.
4 only will get terminate. Yes. This will be, if it is 2500. So this you can write it as 5 to the power 4 into 2 square. Okay. So this will what will come? This will terminate after 4 decimal places. After point 1, 2, 3, 4. This will get ended till here. Just do division by some calculator or something. Just it's coming like that or not. You can just check it out. Calculator. 17 divided by 2500. Yeah, 0.0068. It's coming 0.0068. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. 1 minute, I'll just give one question to you. The 1309 divided by 1875. This you do terminating or not? Pakka everyone will do mistake, 100%.
Why, sir?
You just do, I'm telling you. Why you will do mistake, I know that. No, that's why I'm
Sir,
asking.
it's non-terminating.
Anybody else?
It's a non-terminating.
Everyone say non-terminating, correct? Yeah. Say next, Vivek, you.
Sir, 1 minute, sir, I'm doing.
1 minute, just went up, no? This will be helpful in class 10th, first chapter. If you are having real numbers, no, that chapter you may have this one. So non-terminating part,
So
Nihar is
isn't it terminating?
how it is terminating? Hania, how it is terminating? Tell me. What is denominator part is coming? Tell me now. What you are
Sir,
getting?
I'm still doing it. I'll take a while.
Okay. But you got this is terminating, right? Non, right? Fine. Saitvik, you say It's terminating or non-terminating?
Non-terminating.
Not terminating, non-terminating, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Sai Charan, Satvik. Satvik, your 2 minutes not got over. Satvik.
Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Huh?
Sir, I'm not getting it on this.
Pulastya, what is the answer for this? I'm going to remove in at 2 minutes. If those who are not on in the camera, go out of the meeting by
Sir,
yourself.
1
only.
minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute.
Sir, it's
Sir, I'm
not.
out of station, sir. The minute is very
Sir,
low.
sir, this is non-terminating, sir.
Hmm. Okay, those who are
Yes,
terminating.
sir.
This is non-terminating.
So it's non-terminating. I went wrong in the last
Yeah.
one.
I am saying everyone is wrong. I told you before only everyone will get 2 mistakes. This is terminating.
So how, sir? Like it's 5 power 4 into 3.
Yeah.
So
See, 5
3 cannot be written, right?
5 to the power 4 into 3, correct?
Yeah, 3 is.
And numerator part is 13 into 3. So this 3 will get cancelled.
Oh,
So this is only in 5 form. Okay, Nihar.
Sir, yes, sir, it's terminating, sir.
First you have to cancel this.
Understood, sir.
Then only you should say this is only 5 to the power 4 only. So this is terminating after 4
Sir, I
decimal
think it's
places.
0.0208.
You divided also, Sai Charan,
Yes, sir.
by calculator, right?
Sir, what, sir?
By calculator, no.
Sir, no, sir.
You are out of station, Sai Charan.
No, sir.
Then why you're not in your camera? I'll just count 3. I'll remove you. That's. I'm not going to tell you any something
Sir, I'm wrong.
because you feel bad if I tell something. Okay. So I'm not going to tell you anything. I'm just removed from the meeting itself.
Sir, just 2 minutes.
So this was the concept of terminate. Now you'll not get any confusion till class 10th. What is terminating and non-terminating? So what are rational and irrational numbers that you know properly? What are rational and irrational numbers? Who knows this concept? Rational and irrational numbers.
Sir. Sir,
Say.
Sir, can I?
sir, the numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q are known as rational numbers, sir, where Q is not equal to 0. And
That's it.
irrational, sir,
Wait. You told that rational. Wait. We go one by one. A number
sir, the
which is written
numbers
which is
P by Q form and not
Q-
equal, Q is not equal to 0, sir.
Okay, fine. Next. That's it.
Irrational number, sir.
Rational number.
Sir, the numbers which cannot be written in the form of P by Q and are
Okay.
non-terminating and non-repeating, sir.
recurring, non-recurring.
Non-recurring, sir. Sir, I have
No.
doubt,
Sir,
sir. What
recurring.
is the difference between
Sir-
recurring and non-repeating, sir?
Recurring is something that repeats continuously, and non-recurring is.
Non-terminating.
Sir,
Non-recurring and
means the
non.
non-repeating is also the same, right? sir?
Yeah, same only. Non-recurring. Recurring is different. Terminating is different.
So why non-recurring?
Sir, and
No.
one more point, sir, at the rational number, sir. Sir, they are terminating and non-recurring, sir.
Which one?
Rational.
Rational number at non-recurring and terminating.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir, like, yeah. That's what I said, sir.
The rational is non-terminating recurring, irrational is non-terminating non-recurring.
This is non-recurring.
Non-recurring.
Yes, sir, you have written correctly only, non-terminating non-recurring.
Yes, correct. So what is rational number you are saying, children? What rational number you are saying
The
changes in
rational number can be either terminating or non-terminating recurring.
it may recur also.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are writing 2.3 bar. Okay.
Yes, sir. That's
So
a
this
rational
is
number.
your rational number. 2.33 is not going to end anywhere. Okay. But then also this is what?
Rational number, sir.
Rational number. You can write in P by Q form for this one. 2 by 3 bar. This is very easy,
Yes,
right?
sir. Easy, sir. Very easy.
So now you are having a doubt in non-terminating, non-recurring, something like that. non-repeating, non-terminating. But if you see 2.3 bar here, 2.3 bar, this is not going to terminate, right?
Sir, it's 23/9.
23/9. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And rational number, one more point is there, where P and Q should be co-prime numbers. You know what is co-prime, no?
Sir, which have one and
Sir, I'm coming in 1 minute.
Okay, fine. Tell me what is your PQ? What is your PQ thing? P and Q should be co-prime numbers. What is the meaning of it? Satvik
so
Nutaki.
co-prime numbers means the numbers which have
What I
common
should do with
factor
you?
one,
Wait,
sir.
1 minute, Sai Charan. If you won't speak, if you are off the camera, don't speak anything. And Satvik, why you're off the camera in the between again and again?
Sir, just now I off and on, turn on, sir, for turning off on the light.
What?
So just now I switched off my camera and turned it back on.
Why? Why you off the camera? I'm asking
Sir,
you.
for turning on the light.
Turning on the light, something you will see here. What children can see here?
Sir, I turned on the light and came.
You are in dark for such a long time.
No, sir, I have two lights. I have two lights, sir.
Okay. Now here just answer will be P and Q should be what? P and Q should be co-prime numbers. Okay, co-prime. This is also one thing. Suppose I'm telling 2/3. Suppose 12/15 if I tell. These both are not co-primes, right? So you can't say this one.
Yes.
First you should cancel, then you should come back. Like 3 4s are 12, 4/5. This is your rational number. Okay. So this is the basic difference between rational and irrational. Anyone having doubt in this? No. Anyone having doubt in rational and
No,
irrational?
sir.
Sai Ritvik,
No doubt, sir.
no doubt. Okay, fine. And after how many decimal places this will get terminate, that also you understood, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me how to find a recurring thing. It is there, no? How to find, how to write in P by Q form. Suppose I'm telling here 2.093 and bar is
Sir,
only,
we can convert it, right?
which one you can want to convert?
This, yeah.
Just tell me in P by Q form, convert it in P by Q form. What is the answer for this?
Okay,
Sir,
just
can we also do it, sir, or only?
No, all of you can do this question. Convert this one into P by Q form. What is this? Saichan is still, I'm just going to
Sir,
remove
I'm getting 2.1.
Saichan, I'm going to remove right now. I waited for a long time. Okay. Now it's not possible. I'm just going to remove right now. Okay. Saicharan. Next time, if I see you, camera off, Saicharan, without any.
Sir, it's falling, sir, the phone. I'm going to get this.
Don't touch the phone, no. Keep there itself as it is.
Sir, no, sir, it's slipping, sir. I will attach phone to the wall, sir.
Show me once your face. Now remove your hand. Hand should be up towards your ear. You put. Where is your
There
hand?
means house.
Hand. Where is your hand? Leave that. It looks nice only. Don't touch your mobile now. Okay.
so is it 18.84?
Okay. Let me check the answer. 18.84.
Sir, I'm getting 2.1.
18.84. You are getting 2.1.
Is it 2.1 bar I'm getting? 2.1.
Bar should not come. Bar should not come here. In P by Q form, how bar will come? And it should be in P by Q
I
form.
made a mistake, sir. I made a...
Hania, it should be P by Q form. It's not point form. Sai Charan, you tell what is the answer for this?
Sir, just 1 minute.
Just solve and tell me. Pulasteya.
Sir, I'm getting 2 now. I don't know if I made a mistake, sir. It's a bit confusing.
Okay, fine. Sai Ritvik, Sai R.
Sir, this is 471 by 25.
Sir, I got 1884 by 900, sir.
1000.
Not 125, no, sir. 25, just 25.
Okay. Sai Charan, you?
Sir, it's 1884 by 900.
By 900. This will be, you can cancel further, right? Okay, anyway. Next, Pulastya, what about you? Pulastya,
I
What
did not
about-
get it.
okay.
Sir, it's coming 471 by 275, sir. When simplified.
Sir, who got 1884 by 900?
I got.
Sir, isn't it 100, not 900?
Yeah, tell me what you're saying. Nihar, you are getting this answer.
What? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
Sir, after simplifying, sir, I got 471 by 275.
443 Sir, 443 by 495.
Sir, after simplifying mine, sir, I'm getting 471 by 275, sir.
443 by what? 495.
495.
Okay. Only one rule is there, children, here. Just before point, just after. I told you, just before point and just after point. Means recurring
Sir, my
part.
video will be off till 1 minute, sir.
Acha, okay. So just before point and just after point, we are taking two. This one means this recurring part should be once just before point and just after point. How this will come just before point? You tell me. This is
So
just
multiply it by 100 or
1000. No, if you
Yes,
multiply
sir,
with
1000. We have to split the 3
Sir,
by.
it's not necessary to do it with 1000. You can even do it with 10.
Sir, but we have to do it with 3 bar, right?
what I'm saying, children,
No, sir,
listen.
sir. Actually, I'm getting a different answer. 1 minute.
Listen me first. Listen me. What I'm saying to you. Okay. Then you just tell me your answers. How and if any
Sir,
method
443 by 450.
450 50.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I'm saying, see, first I'm just taking first just before point I'm taking. So how this 3 will come just before point means all the 3 digits I'm just sending before point means you should multiply by 1000. Okay.
Sir, how, sir? Sir, we should multiply with 100 also.
Wait, I'm telling here right now 2.0.
Sir, because only the bar is for
Sai
three.
Charan, listen what I'm saying. Completely listen first. 09333 like this only, no? So we have to send all these 3 parts before this point, correct? Sai Charan?
Sir, it isn't necessary, right?
100%
Sir.
necessary. What I'm saying, listen, this is clear or not? What I'm saying, just wait for 1 minute, Sai Charan. Then you tell me whatever you want. This to remove this point, to send these 3 things to the before point, we have to multiply by 1000x. This one you know or not?
Sir, but I used to do not like this, sir.
You used to do, I'm telling you how. That your method only I'll tell you. Okay. Wait. I'll
Sir,
remove
again
everything.
answer change, sir. It's
Sir means
221 by
we
2.
leave till the
I
bar,
know.
the number which have bars, sir. Then
Sir,
till that we will multiply like 100x
Wait.
equals to
Now wait. Now I'm
209.3.
doing it, your method
sir,
only.
my answer changed again.
Okay, tell. That's why I deleted everything. Tell me.
221 by 225.
221 by 225. Okay, fine. So see here, x we can write it as, I'm just doing by your method, Sai Charan. Okay, 2.09333 dash 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 dash. Then I'm writing 10x. 10x is equal to 20 point. This only we are doing, no, this way only, right?
Yes. No, sir.
Then you are doing
Sir means
100, right?
directly I'll multiply with 100x.
Achha, 10 you don't do, 10 you never do.
Sir means it will become another.
Then 2.209.33333 like this, right? Then 1000x. 1000x is equal to what? 2093.33333, right? So
Yes, sir.
we have to consider which two equations? One
Sir,
we have to
100x and
consider.
1000x. Sir.
1 minute. We have to consider this one once, 2093 point, and one
And
is
that
should do
up one.
10x,
Not
right?
that one, sir.
Which one?
No, sir. Sir,
Sir,
100.
100x, sir, because after the decimal point, the number should be same, right?
Yeah, this one, correct.
Yes, sir, I
So
have doubts, sir. Then if you did the before one, sir, then with which one would you minus, sir?
before what I was doing before,
Yes, sir.
that only I've
Means
done.
you directly multiplied by 1000x,
Yeah.
sir. There
That's why I
was
told
no-
you here like this. I told just before point. The first what I was doing is I was just bringing the recurring part before point. Okay. So to bring this recurring part before point, what I should do? I should multiply by 1000x. Correct? No or not?
Yes, sir.
The 1000x is equal to what I can write? 2093.2093.33 dash dash dash. Correct? And once I want this recurring point just after point, means here only. It means that what I should want? 20. 1 minute. Control Z. 209.33 like this I want. Understood? Means this recurring part just after point. So I should have only 100x. If you multiply, then I will get, right? This is clear what I told. So this is the
Yes, sir.
equation
All
for
clear.
just before point, and this is the equation for just after point, JAP.
Yes, sir.
Then we
Not
have to
understood, sir.
not understood. No, wait.
So why didn't we just subtract x?
See, because our intention is to bring this recurring part is there. No, what you're saying, this recurring part
Yes, sir.
just before point means these three should reach. See in the first this equation, you can see this,
Yes, sir, I understood that.
and second equation also understood.
Okay, understood.
So to bring second equation, what you should do? Multiply 100x only, no? Or you multiply only with x.
Yes, sir, I've done mistake there. I subtract x only.
Anyone having doubt? Sai Ritvik, Sai Charan,
Sir, not at all.
Oh, sir, clear.
Nihar, it's clear what I'm saying here.
Yes, sir.
Then we have to subtract here itself. You can subtract now. So here we'll get 990, 990, 900, right? 900x is equals to 9 and
Sir, 1884, sir.
1884.
1884.
Yes, sir, my
1884.
answer. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
Your
1884.
your answer is correct. Here this is answer. Both are correct, I think. No, both are correct, or this is wrong.
No, sir, that's wrong, sir.
Sir, the other one is wrong.
No,
Sir,
sir,
but
sir, it's correct. Sir, 1 minute. Sir.
No, numerator is
Sir, when
more.
I
No.
simplified, I got 471 by 275.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir, I
correct.
missed that one.
Hmm.
I wrote
80.
only 884.
Hmm.
That's why I was getting that.
So children, those who didn't understand, they can ask the questions. because this is the very easy method what I just told right now to you. Just before point and just after point, just remember this. Then only two equations should do. You should not go for any other small this x, 10x. It's not required. Okay.
Sir, but if you do that way, you'll get it as 18.84 by
Which one?
100.
By this method, what I'm doing this one.
Okay, I got it.
Same only, no. This is what is difference between this and this. What is the difference? Same only, ditto same. No change in this two. Nihar is getting some doubt still. No?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. Scientific is understood clearly, no? Because this is same thing is going
Yeah,
to
sir,
repeat in class
understood.
10.
I just subtracted the wrong evaluation.
Hmm. Okay, fine. Next question. Which kind you are having? Which kind you are having in this class 9th? Still
Sir, rationalize, sir.
rationalization you are having doubt. Okay,
No,
fine.
sir. We
Sir,
are
it is
having no,
easy,
sir, no,
sir.
sir, not rationalize. Means
Sir,
I'm
will you
telling
give
that we
some
have rationalized.
Okay, rationalization, I'll ask the question. Okay. Rationalize the denominator. Some hard question I'll take. Let me check which number is this. There's no such hard question. 2 root 6 minus 3 root 2. 2 root 6 minus 3 root 2. 2 root 6 minus 3 root 2. And numerator is 5 root 2 minus 3. Rationalize the denominator, this question. Rationalize the denominator.
Sure, done, sir. So 10 root 12 minus 9 root 2 by 6.
Getting the same answer, sir, by 6.
What, Sai Charan? What you are getting?
So 10 root 12 minus 9 root 2 by 6.
10 root 12.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, 10 root 12 minus
6
9
root
root
6.
9 root 6.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine.
No, sir, 9 root 2, sir. It's 9 root 2 I'm getting.
9 root 2.
Yeah, sir. 9 root 2 by 6.
Yes, sir, I'm
Nine.
getting the same answer.
Whole divide by 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Anyone else who getting the answer? 2 root 6. See, to translation means we are going to multiply this by what? 2 root 6 plus
Sir, I'm
3
getting
root.
12 root 12 minus 6 root 6 minus 9 root 12 minus 9 root 2 plus 30 by 6.
So I got something different and see this.
Okay, see, this you have to multiply numerator and denominator, right? 2 root 6 plus 3 root
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2. Okay.
Yes.
So denominator part, if you check, a plus b, a minus b is there, right?
Yes, sir.
So what do we get here?
6.
2 6
Sir, Sir, we get 24 minus 18, sir.
What is 6,
24.
sir?
6, sir.
Okay, fine. Numerator part 5 root 2 and 2 root
12 root
6.
12. 10 root 12.
Sir, it's 10 root 12
Okay.
minus 9 root 2.
Minus 9 root 2. First you do this one completely, you do. 5 root 2 and
Sir, plus 30.
Sir,
Saicharan,
but why, sir, it is?
Saicharan, mute your mic, man. You're so
Sir, now it's okay, sir.
irritating voice is
Sir,
coming.
10
That
root 12 plus
Sir,
30.
yes, sir, when I keep it neat.
is 5 plus 15.
Plus 30.
Plus 30. 5,
30
15.
minus 6 root 6.
So how
minus-
30, sir?
See, 5 root 2.
Okay, yeah,
and
yeah. 6 root 6
6 root 6
Minus 6 root
minus
6
9 root 2.
minus 9 root 2. Fine. So what do you get here?
Sir, we can remove 2, right, from root 12.
Root 2. How you can remove root 2?
Sir, 2
Yes, sir,
into
yes,
2
sir, we can
into 3.
remove. Or 2 will come out. So it
Yeah,
will be,
that's fine. You can do the 20 root. You
20
can write
root 3
20 root 3
minus 6 root 6
minus 6 root 6
plus 30 minus 9 root 2 by 6
minus 9 root 2
by
divide
6.
by 6.
How did we get
yes, sir,
20
this
root
is
3?
good.
Later on, if you can take, you can't take common also,
Nothing,
no?
Sir,
sir,
how did
nothing
we
is
get
common.
20 root 3, sir?
Because
Sir,
see, 10 root 12 is there, no? So for root 12, what you can write? 10 into 2 root 3. Can you write?
Okay, sir, understood.
So answer is 20
Sir,
root.
for this rational denominator, we need to write the simplest form, right?
Simplest form. Yeah, but this is only simplest form. No, you can't do further.
Yes,
anything.
sir. That only, sir. I'm
Yes,
telling.
yes, correct. So Sai Charan, where you done mistake, just check once, huh? 6, 9. Acha, this first and last you have done. That's it. 30 you are gone only. 30 you have not solved only, Sai Charan, right? This middle part you have not done, I think, no? Okay, this one you done means nothing will come more than this distillation part.
sir, mine came correct. Only I got confused and I was wrong.
Okay. One hard sum will be there. I'm just finding that kind
Sir,
of
you
sum.
were saying something.
1 minute. One sum I was seeing some hard sum. I'm not finding that one. Different type. 3 types was there in that. Like in this kind of question. Suppose here it was like suppose 32 or 30 divided by root 3 plus root 2 minus 1. This you can rationalize.
Yes, sir, it's easy.
Easy only.
Yes, sir, 1 minute, sir, I'll tell you.
Sir, should we multiply the root 3 means at the denominator part, sir? It will be root 3 plus root 2 minus 1 into root 3 minus root 2 plus 1, right, sir?
What
when
tell once again?
rationalized.
Wait, once again you tell into what?
Sir, when the denominator part is rationalized, sir, will it come like √3 minus √2 plus 1, sir?
You can do like that, no problem. +1 also you can write.
Sir, but how, sir?
Because we are changing the sign now here, right?
Sir, you did not change the sign for plus, sir.
You should not change everywhere. No, only one place, right? This is, see, this both is same. And this is same, right? And again, if you see here, this both are same, correct? Control Z. See, this both are same. And again, if you see, this one is same, like this. The a plus b minus b will come now.
Sir, if it is like √3 plus 1 plus √2,
Huh.
then what? √3 plus 1 will come, sir.
What? √3.
√3 plus 1 minus √2.
Wait, let me write first what you're saying. √3 minus 1 plus √2, like this.
Yes, sir. Like that.
Then you can
So
change
then
this.
which part?
This only you change, no problem. So √3
Only
minus
this,
1
sir.
minus √2.
Sir means we can change any one, sir.
But here anyone you
Means
can
What's
change.
the answer?
any one, sir. Okay.
I
Yeah.
given from my side only. I should solve this. Then I'll get to know.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Because I remember this kind of question in ICC board is there. Hania book. Selena, if you refer, you will have this question. This kind of question. In second last question. Hania.
So I do remember doing this and I am doing it. So
Hmm. So if you rationalize this, you will get, means the denominator if you multiply, what do you get? 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 plus 2 √6 you get, right? Correct. And minus 1. Is it clear or not? This only you are getting now here.
Yes, sir.
Then here it will coming 30 √3.
Plus
This
30 √2 plus 30.
Plus √2 plus
No,
1.
plus
Like,
30
something
plus
very
30
big,
√2.
sir. Whatever
again,
the answer is.
again rationalize you should do here
Yes,
because
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, I
30
came
√3
till there
plus
and
30
then
√2 plus 30
I'm-
by 4 plus 2 √6. Sir, then we take 2 common, so it will become 15 √3 plus 15 √2 plus 15 by 2 plus 6, 2 plus √6.
like this only you should do 2 √6 and divide by, again you can do here. Or better what you do no here. One more thing you can do. This 30, you can just cancel this part. Here you take 2 common and you can cancel 30 also if you want. Suppose here 30 and √3.
Yes, so we can take 2 common.
2 common you can take. Plus 1 divided by 2 common you take. What will come? 2 plus √6. So 2 15s you can cancel here. And then you can rationalize by 2 minus √6 and 2 minus √6. Sailatvik, it's clear what I'm saying.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Then again, if you do, you'll get pakka, means out of the root, means denominator you can rationalize easily. Then you can do it easily, right? One more question I'll ask you. Okay. It's clear, no? Everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Pulastya, it's clear to you? Pulastya?
Yes. Yes, sir.
It's clear to you, right?
Yes.
So this question is now 2 √6 minus √5. 2 √6 minus √5 whole divided by 3 √5 minus 2 √6. 3 √5 minus 2 √6. 2 √6 minus Root 5. This is root 5, not root 6. Root 5. He controls it. And 3 root 5
Sir,
minus
minus root 5, is it 5 or 6? Like confusion.
5. 5 only. See, 2 root 6 minus root 5. This is 5 only. 5. I'll just erase this and just tell you. This one is 5. And it is equals to, I'm just telling you, I'm just writing here something. This is a root 30 minus b. A root 30 minus b. You should find the value of a and b. You should find the value of a and b. Tell me the final answer. No change is required in this. A and b. Tell me the final answer for this. Sai Charan left only, huh? Sai Charan.
Sir, it's 3 root 5 minus 2 root 6, right?
3 root 5 minus 2 root 6. Yes.
Sir, is A 4 by 19 and B 9 by 19?
A is what? A is
4 by 19.
4 by 19. A is 4 by 19 and B is?
9 by 19.
Okay, fine.
Minus.
Minus 9 by 19.
Yeah.
Okay. I think something wrong.
Sorry, it's plus only. Sorry.
No, plus then also wrong.
Ah.
Sir,
Yes.
I think A is 4 by 21 and B is minus 9 by 21.
Yes, sir, he's correct, sir. 4 root A is
Sir,
4
I'm
root
getting
4 by
denominator
21.
as 21. Those answers.
A is what? A is?
A is
4.
4 by 21 and B is minus 9 by 21.
Yes, that's correct.
Yes, sir.
So 4 by 21 and minus 9 by 21 is the correct answer. So 19 you should get, no, Hania. That only you have done mistake, I think, right? You have to multiply 3 root 5 and my plus 2 root 6. Plus 2 root 6. And same thing will denominator, you also multiply 3 root 5 and plus 2 root 6. So 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45.
45 minus 24.
24. 2 to the 4,
Yeah.
4, 6 are 24. So what you will get? 21, right?
Oh,
Then you have to do numerator part, you will get the answer. So you will get like this 4 root 30 plus 9 divided by 19. So you can write in this way 4 by 19 root 30 and minus is given, right? The minus of minus 9 by 19. So A and B you can compare it easily now, right?
okay, so it's not 19, it's 21 only. I got it.
So 21 I have written wrong now. Oh, this is 21. Fine. So minus 9 by 21 and 4 by 21. This is the last concept what you are having in decimalization. It's clear to everyone. Shall we close the meeting here itself? It's doubt anywhere?
No, sir.
Anywhere? No doubts, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You can leave the meeting now, children. Bye. Good night. Anya, anything else you want? Okay.